Are you looking for 3D modeling software? Today we're having a look at Blender. We're also having a look at ZBrush. We want to know exactly what it is that they offer and why you should be using one over the other. So ladies and gentlemen, Blender is free and free software is awesome. Let's check exactly why Blender is a cut above the rest. So with Blender, you can discover the world's most powerful open source 3D creation software that is revolutionizing digital art, and it has been for a very long time, animation and also game development across many industries. So why are people choosing Blender and why should you choose Blender? Some of their advantages, of course, is the 100% free and open source. This means that there's no licensing fees or subscription costs, and there's constantly improvements by passionate global community members. And these are developers and artists who understand what your creative needs are. Also, it has cross-platform power, so it runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, with Python scripting support for completely customized workflows and automation. And then it's a complete creative pipeline. So it's literally everything you need in one package, including modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositioning, motion tracking, and even video editing capabilities, all in one space. And then literally from hobbyists to Hollywood, Blender is something that's been used by literally everybody. Some of their powerful benefits and features include their advanced creative tools, right? So you have professional sculpting brushes, realistic physics simulations, dynamic particle effects, and very precise camera tracking for stunning visual storytelling. It also has industry-leading rendering. So Cycles and EV engines deliver both photorealistic ray-traced images and lightning-fast real-time previews with cinematic effects. Their optimized workflow is a customizable interface. They have keyboard shortcuts and Python automation tools to boost your productivity and adapt to your unique creative process. And then it's a thriving ecosystem. There's thousands of tutorials, there's free plugins, active forums, and regular updates to ensure there is continuous learning and expansion on the features. Let's jump straight into ZBrush now. And ZBrush is an industry standard in digital sculpting and painting. So you can transform your creative vision into stunning digital masterpieces with the world's most powerful sculpting and painting software. And let's dig deeper and see what more they offer. So over here we have a sculpt like real clay without limits section. So this basically is covering how versatile and easy this technology actually is. So there are millions of polygons. This handles tens of millions of polygons in real time for ultra detailed models that push creative boundaries. It has direct surface painting. So this means you can paint directly on 3D surfaces without pre-assigning any textures or UV maps for instant artistic feedback. It also offers dynamic resolution, so you can explore textures freely with dynamic resolution. This means there's no upfront constraints or any technical limitations at all. Why are you choosing ZBrush? So, the top 3 reasons. First of all, it has unmatched detail. So it has unlimited artistic freedom for high poly sculpting that brings your imagination to life. It is industry proven. It has essential tool sets for film, games, 3D printing, and illustrations used by professionals all over the world. And it can help you elevate your art, so you can transform your creative potential with the world's leading digital sculpting software, and it's not very difficult to learn if you're a beginner. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Now you've seen the best of the best. The takeaway here is to go and try all of the software that is available. See what actually works for you specifically. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.